What if 9 UK available powdered foods, stored oxygen-free, cool and dark, could sit in your cupboard for decades? One of them is in your weekly shop right now and costs you more in fresh form. Stick with me, I'll show you what to buy, how to store it for UK crisis, and the best value complete protein most survivalists and preppers skip. Welcome to Charlie Survival, a quick reality check. In the UK, shelf-stable foods carry best before dates. That's quality, not safety. When you remove oxygen, block light and keep powders cool and dry, think 10 to 20 degrees Celsius in an internal cupboard, many hit manufacturers stated 20 to 30 years. We'll be conservative where the fat content is higher or the product is freeze-dried. I'll flag the realistic range and the conditions that make it true. Why powdered foods? Powders are space efficient, fuel efficient, fast to rehydrate, and stable in British winters and mild summers. If you avoid loft heat and damp garages, they reduce stress during price spikes or outages, and they don't rely on your freezer. If you've ever worried about blackouts, powders are your quiet insurance. Definitions and pitfalls. Freeze-dried retains shape, nutrients, and has the longest life. Dehydrated can still go decades if packed right. Whole versus defatted. The more fat, the shorter the life. It tastes better, but it stores shorter. Factory can versus DIY mylar. Factory number 10 cans are great, but mylar plus O2 absorbers is the UK workhorse. Biggest mistakes. Clear tubs in sunlight, loft storage, and opening one giant bag to test, then forgetting it. Label with item, packed date, absorber size, and allergens. 1. Powdered eggs, whole egg powder. Use cases: scrambles, omelettes, baking, batters, camping. When stored sealed, oxygen-free, light-proof, and cool, many brands quote 10 to 15 years. Once opened, portion small and use within months. Rehydrate ratio: 1 tablespoon powder plus 1 tablespoon lukewarm water equals 1 egg. Rest 5 minutes before cooking on low-medium with a touch of oil. Treat rehydrated eggs as raw egg. Do a half and half scramble, 1 pan fresh, 1 pan powdered. Quick blind test with a partner or friend. Comment below if you think you could tell the difference in a blind test, or let me know your favourite long life food. If you want to become more resilient in the UK, check out the Charlie Survival Amazon kit list. You can find kits for UK crisis, from bugging out to home kit. Feel free to click the link in the description after this video. 2. Milk powder, skimmed for longevity, whole for flavour. Skimmed non-fat with O2 removal plus cool storage, claims often 20 to 25 years. Whole milk powder, richer flavour, but 2 to 5 years sealed. Rotate. UK usage: skimmed for deep stores, whole for everyday rotation and better hot chocolate, mash in sauces. Make it drinkable, mix cold, chill overnight, add a pinch of sugar and a dot of vanilla. Kitchen swaps. For white sauce, use milk powder plus water plus flour plus butter powder. For mashed spuds, milk powder plus cheese powder. For bread and pancakes, you get consistent results with no what egg size faff. If half of your milk for cooking becomes powder, typical UK households can trim £30 to £100 a year depending on usage. 3. Whey protein, isolate or concentrate. Why? Because it's complete protein, compact, easy on low fuel days. Plan on storing for 1 to 2 years in a cool, dark, dry spot. Don't treat as decades deep storage. Choose well, look for a short ingredient list, avoid dessert blends loaded with gums and sweeteners. Usage ideas: whey oats, smoothie with fruit powder, protein pancakes. UK rotation tip: mark tubs with open date, keep one active and the rest sealed. If it smells off or clumps weirdly after long storage, bin it. 4. Powdered soup mixes and stock bases. Buy smarter, legume heavy blends like split pea or lentil, veg forward minestrone, stock powders without endless additives. Well packed, O2 free and light proof, many quote 10 to 25 years, brand dependent. Fuel saving: 10 to 15 minute simmer, add boiling water, lid on. Cozy the pot with heat-proof tea towel or jacket to finish. Use upgrade tricks like add milk powder for creaminess, veg powder for body, and a teaspoon of butter powder for mouthfeel. A warm bowl on a cold night calms the house, kids included. 5. Cheese powder, cheddar or blend. Flavor plus fat crushes same food fatigue. Shelf life, sealed, O2 free and cool. Many brands quote 10 to 20 plus years. After opening, small mylar splits are your friend. Uses include cheese sauce, omelettes with the egg powder, cheesy biscuits, popcorn. Ratio starter, 1 heaped tablespoon per person, adjust to taste. On day 3 of a blackout, cheesy mash turns morale around. 6. Powdered peanut butter. Defatted peanut solids equals protein plus flavor with minimal oil. Sealed and cool, brands claim 5 to 15 years, but be cautious and rotate. It can be used in porridge, smoothies, sauté sauces, and no-bake oat bars. As a spread, rehydrate with water. The texture isn't identical to fresh peanut butter. If you decant, label peanuts clearly. 7. Powdered fruit, freeze-dried, then ground. Why? Vitamins, antioxidants, colour, natural sweetness, morale. Shelf life. Freeze-dried fruit, O2 free, light proof, cool, commonly around 20 to 30 years, brand dependent. Use in yogurt, porridge, smoothies, pancakes, instant fruit leather by rehydrating, then spread thin and dry on a low temperature. Make it kid friendly, add to milk powder for strawberry milkshake. 8. Powdered vegetables, single or blends. What to buy? Carrot, tomato, spinach, kale, sweet potato. Make a custom blend for convenience. Shelf life for dehydrated and freeze-dried, O2 free and cool, often around 10 to 25 years. This varies with fat content like tomato versus greens. Stealth boosts soups, stews, pasta sauces, rice, mince. It restores fiber and micronutrients. Ratios, start half to 1 teaspoon per portion, increase by taste. DIY green blend, 1 part spinach, 1 carrot, 1 tomato, 1 sweet potato. Label and put a teaspoon into everything. 9. Butter powder or ghee powder. For shelf life, many brands list 10 years when kept sealed and cool. Some number 10 cans claim longer. Check labels and store conservatively. Use for mash, pasta, rice, bacon, popcorn. Think ingredients, not perfect butter on toast. Combine peanut butter plus cheese powder for a quick, rich sauce. A spoon through plain rice is an instant upgrade when spirits are low. UK Storage Masterclass, only 3 steps. Step 1. Package right, oxygen and light. Use 5 to 8 ml mylar bags plus correctly sized food grade safe O2 absorbers. As a rule of thumb, small pouches up to 1 litre uses one 300 to 500 cc oxygen absorber. Large bags around 5 litre use one 1500 to 2000 cc oxygen absorber. Then squeeze out as much air as you can. Heat seal the bag, label clearly, item, date, absorber size and any allergens. Keep it dark in opaque bags, resulting in no light damage. Number 10 cans do exist, but they're rare in the UK. Most preppers here use mylar bags inside food grade buckets. Step 2. Place right, cool and dry. Aim for 10 to 20 degrees Celsius with low humidity. Avoid the loft and boiler cupboards. Best spots are under stairs, interior pantry, bedroom wardrobe floor. Step 3. Portion right, opening discipline. Don't try a bit from one giant bag. Pack meal-sized pouches so once opened, stock gets used quickly. The rest stays pristine. Common mistakes and quick fixes. Any old plastic tub is fine. Use mylar or factory cans. Most clear tubs are not oxygen barriers. Absorber size doesn't matter. Match CC rating to volume. Too small equals oxidation. Too big is fine but wasteful. Garage is fine. UK garages can be damp. Moisture kills powder. Use interior spaces. Open, scoop for mumps, it's fine. After opening, decant into small packs or use fast. Whey lasts decades. Treat whey protein as rotation stock every 1 to 2 years. Keep protein varied with egg powder and legumes. Quick 3-day menu ideas. Breakfast, whey oats with fruit powder, powdered eggs on toast, porridge plus peanut butter. Lunches, lentil soup mix plus veg powder, cheesy mash pots, instant tomato pasta, stock plus tomato powder plus cheese powder. Dinners, rice plus butter plus powder plus veg powder. Pancake night, milk plus egg powder. Split pea soup with crusty bread. Snacks, peanut butter powder bars, popcorn with cheese powder. If this helped, subscribe to join the community and like the video so more people in the UK become more resilient. Comment below a great powdered item that you store that I didn't mention in this video. If you want to find long life items like these energy bars that run out in 2044, head over to the Charlie Survival Amazon kit list. I'm constantly testing and adding the best prepping and survival items, from bugging out to home kit. You can find the link in the description of this video. Share this with someone who needs calm, not chaos. And if you want to learn how the Vikings prepped and survived in Britain and what we can learn from them, I highly recommend clicking this video on screen now. Stay wild, stay free, and I'll see you over there.